Hey, travel junkies, ready to level up your next flight experience? Buckle up because we're diving into 7 must-know air travel tips that'll turn you from a stressed-out passenger into a seasoned pro. Hey, it's Matt Parr, and here at Trip Expert, we help you travel worldwide. Let's get started. Number 7, beat the algorithms with incognito mode. Do flight prices mysteriously rise when you recheck a route? You're not crazy. Booking sites track and use search data. Incognito mode, private browsing, or clearing cookies before looking for flights can help you beat the system. This prevents these sites from recognizing you and raising fees. Call it your secret weapon for locating the best prices. Keeping your flight searches private helps you get cheaper tickets. Smart travelers erase their internet history often, especially while planning a vacation. Airlines and booking websites use sophisticated algorithms to study user activity, and repeated travel or destination searches can raise prices. When searching incognito or erasing cookies, you become a new, anonymous user. This stops websites from detecting your prior searches and boosting costs depending on your interest. Search engines and booking sites may also charge various costs for the same flight. Try other websites and use VPNs to hide your location to find hidden bargains and discounts. Be proactive and consider all choices before buying. Flight aggregators and comparison websites are powerful. These services locate the lowest cost by searching several airlines and booking companies. Price alerts notify you when fares reduce for your desired routes. Flights can be substantially cheaper with patience and attention. This cunning approach could save you a lot of money when planning a trip. I promise your wallet will thank you. Although this tip seems minor, the savings can mount up, allowing you to spend your travel budget on more fun activities. Smart travelers pack efficiently and make intelligent selections to maximize their money. Consider it a mini-game where you compete with algorithms to locate the greatest offer. The thrill of finding a much cheaper flight is incredible. Number 6, your airline app is your new best friend. Avoid long lines and departure board glaring. Download your airline's app before leaving home. These apps provide real-time gate change warnings, boarding time updates, baggage claim information, and flight entertainment. The best part? Many apps enable you rebook flights instantly if one is canceled. Stop panicking on the phone and waiting in customer service lines. Imagine having a travel helper in your pocket. Beyond the basics, airline apps frequently provide a variety of services to improve your trip. These applications let you navigate airport terminals and find restaurants, shops, and restrooms with interactive maps. You may also track your luggage in real time with some apps, providing you peace of mind. Other helpful features of many airline apps include frequent flyer account management. You may check your mileage balance, track your elite status, and redeem miles for flights, upgrades, and other prizes. Airline applications make it easy to access your boarding pass without printing or searching your email. For easy travel, scan your phone's barcode at the security checkpoint and boarding gate. Also, airline applications can inform you of flight delays and cancellations. If your flight is affected, you'll receive quick updates and rebooking or refund options. The app may automatically rebook you on the next flight, sparing you from calling customer care. Stop worrying and download that app. It's a game changer for stress-free plane travel. Imagine traveling with a knowledgeable travel companion who provides real-time information and help. These are normally in your app store. Use this small tool for all your flight travel. Number 5, dress for comfort, not for the tropics. Picture this. When traveling to a tropical paradise, you wear shorts and a tank top. Big mistake. Window seats in airplanes are notoriously cold. Do not let a stray frigid air mar your journey. Dress in layers instead. Light jackets and sweaters can save the day, and long pants are always safe. Airplane cabin temperatures vary depending on altitude, time of day, and seat placement. On long-haul flights, some passengers may feel too cold. Layering allows you to modify your clothing to these temperature changes, keeping you comfortable during the trip. Air travel attire promotes cleanliness and prevents germs in addition to comfort. Airlines are closed and poorly ventilated, harboring bacteria and viruses. Long sleeves and pants help protect your skin from polluted surfaces, minimizing sickness risk. Since long flights can cause foot swelling, bring some comfy socks in your carry-on. Shoes off and socks on increase circulation and comfort. You can sleep better on the plane with a travel pillow and eye mask. It's not just comfort. Covering can also keep bacteria and other pollutants off seats. Think warm and covered. You'll thank us later when you're not shivering in flight. Consider that being ready for temperature variations will improve your air travel experience. Remember those layers before you fly next time. Number 4, cleanliness is key. Wipe before you fly. Discuss germs. We all know airplanes aren't clean, but some areas are especially germy. Interestingly, restrooms are not the worst culprit. The tray tables and seat back pockets are to blame. These regions are rarely cleaned, so germs and viruses can grow. Tray tables are used by many travelers daily and often touch food, drinks, and personal goods. Seat back pockets are infamous for gathering dirt, crumbs, and tissues. Airlines try to clean cabins between flights, but they rarely have time to sanitize everything. Bringing your own sanitizing wipes is an easy method to avoid germs while flying. Use wipes to clean the tray table, armrests, seatbelt buckle, and any areas you'll contact before sitting down. Also avoid placing food or personal objects on the tray table. Instead, use a napkin or tray liner to block. Carry a travel-sized hand sanitizer and use it often during your flight. Try to wash your hands with soap and water before eating or touching your face. Touching your eyes, nose, and mouth lets germs in. Cover hand injuries and abrasions with bandages to avoid infection. Clean that tray table with a sanitizer before placing your snack, book, or other items on it. Avoid putting your phone or snacks in seat back pockets. A little cleaning on your next flight will keep you healthy. Be especially cautious when flying. Number 3, power up with a portable charger. Nothing is worse than arriving at the airport to find all charging outlets crowded or broken. Trying to find a plane outlet is risky. Do not obsess over a dead phone while traveling. Buy a nice power bank or portable charger. The capacity of a portable charger is measured in mAh. A charger with greater mAh can charge gadgets many times. Choose a portable charger based on your charging needs. Choose a higher capacity charger if you have many gadgets or will be away from electricity for a long time. If you charge it before leaving home, your phone, tablet, and other USB-powered gadgets will have reliable power. This is essential for accessing your digital boarding pass, checking directions, contacting for a ride, or entertaining yourself during delays. Also consider a portable charger with numerous charging ports. This lets you charge many devices at once, which is essential when traveling with family or friends. Choose chargers with USB-A and USB-C connections for optimal compatibility. A portable charger is essential for modern travelers. Check if the charger you're bringing is allowed. This is crucial for air travel convenience. A fully charged portable charger can save your life while traveling. It can keep you connected, entertained, and informed, making your experience more enjoyable and stress-free. Number 2, skip the tap water. Stick to bottled drinks. Let's talk aircraft water. Flight attendants are pleased to offer water, but you should know where it comes from. Flight's coffee and tea water originates from unclean tanks. Although the water is purified, contamination is still possible. Airplane water tanks are hard to clean, so bacteria and other impurities can build up. Studies suggest that airplane water can include hazardous pathogens, including E. coli and coliform bacteria. For safety, drink bottled or canned water. Seals and regulations provide a clean, safe drink. Avoid questionable tap water when hydrating on flights. Bring an empty water bottle to refill after security. Buy a reusable water container and fill it with filtered water before your flight to reduce the environmental impact of bottled water, a more sustainable and cost-effective option. Drink lots of water when flying. Number 1, rise and fly. Morning flights are the best. The golden rule of flying: plan morning flights whenever feasible. This has 2 basic causes. First, airports run better in the morning, more efficient, less congestion, and less delays. Second, morning air is calmer, reducing turbulence. Morning air is more stable since the ground hasn't heated up and created thermals. Warm air columns called thermals can produce turbulence. Turbulence can make your trip uncomfortable and trigger motion sickness. Morning flights are less crowded than afternoon or late flights. This means more space to stretch out and relax and less middle seat time. Using these steps, you can ace air travel. Nobody likes a bumpy flight. Set your alarm and fly in the morning for a smoother, more punctual trip. I promise that extra sleep will be worth it when you arrive refreshed and ready to go. This technique is ideal for pleasant plane travel. Next time you fly, plan beforehand. Now, if you want to track your trips and everywhere you've been, including cities, hotels, restaurants, and see travel stats of everywhere you've been, make sure to download Trips app, which is completely free and available for both Android and iOS. Now check out this video on the screen if you want to discover how to travel the world for super cheap, and how to potentially make money traveling. This is how I've visited over 50 countries easily, flying first class for cheap. It's basically a free course for doing this. I'll see you there.